Welcome back to Infinity Beyond, your quiet window into the cosmos. Tonight, let us listen, not with ears, but with wonder, to the language of stars. They don't speak as we do, but they do send messages, across space, across time, across silence. They speak through light. Look up at the night sky, and you'll see tiny dots, stars, glittering and distant. But what you're really seeing is the past. Each twinkle is a message, traveling at the speed of light, taking years, even thousands or millions of years to reach you. When you look at the star Sirius, you're seeing it as it was 8.6 years ago. The light from Betelgeuse took 640 years to get here. Some of the stars in the Andromeda galaxy, over 2 million years. You're not just looking across distance, you're looking through time. And light, it turns out, is full of information. To scientists, starlight is more than brightness. It's a story. A spectrum of colors reveals everything. What a star is made of, how hot it is, how old it is, even whether it's moving toward us or away. By breaking starlight into a rainbow of wavelengths, we see distinct lines, absorption lines, like barcodes. These lines tell us what elements the star contains. Hydrogen, helium, carbon, iron. From millions of miles away, we can learn the chemistry of a star without ever visiting it. This method, called spectroscopy, is like reading a star's fingerprint. And there's more. As stars move through space, their light shifts. If a star is coming toward us, its light compresses into shorter wavelengths, bluer. If it's moving away, the wavelengths stretch, redder. This is the Doppler effect, and it's how we discovered that our universe is expanding. Galaxies aren't just drifting, they're racing apart. The farther they are, the faster they flee. The redder their light becomes. And from this redshift, we learned something staggering. The universe had a beginning, a moment of sudden expansion. The Big Bang. All of that, decoded through light. Now consider something even more remarkable. Sometimes, a star's light doesn't arrive alone. Sometimes it flickers, dims, brightens. That's how we discover planets around distant stars, exoplanets. As a planet passes in front of its star, it blocks a tiny fraction of the light. By watching these faint dips, astronomers can detect worlds hundreds of light years away. Some of these planets are Earth-sized. Some orbit in the habitable zone where water could exist. We even analyze the light passing through their atmospheres, looking for signs of oxygen, methane, or water vapor. In this way, light becomes our messenger, our telescope, our time machine. It is the oldest and purest form of cosmic communication. There's something poetic about this, that every star is constantly broadcasting, not in words, but in photons. That every twinkle in the night is a whisper from the past. A quiet, ancient voice saying, I am here, I was born, I shine. Even supernovae, when stars die, send out blinding flashes of light, traveling across space for millions of years. Some of that light, reaching Earth, has been carved into cave walls by early humans, recorded by ancient astronomers in dusty scrolls, captured now by orbiting satellites. Starlight connects us all. It transcends language, time, and distance, and it illuminates not just the night sky, but our understanding of existence. So tonight, as you lie in bed, close your eyes and imagine light as a gentle river, flowing across galaxies, across eons, each photon a traveler carrying stories. Some of that light has traveled since before Earth existed, and now it gently touches your eyelids. You are not separate from the cosmos. You are bathed in its glow. Let it comfort you. Let it remind you that even in darkness, something is always reaching out, always speaking. In the silent vacuum of space, stars have found a way to be heard, and now you are listening.